Hello, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we'll show you how to stop your Discord lagging. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. First of all, open your Discord and click on your user setting. And then scroll down and click on voice and video and decrease your input volume. Then check the issue. And the second solution is right click to your taskbar, click on Task Manager and end the task for big apps like Google Chrome or Camtasia. So I'm gonna end the task for Google Chrome. And then let's click to your Discord from here. And then click on Go to Details. Then from here, right click to Discord and click on Set Priority and set High. And then check the issue. That's it. That's how you can simply stop your Discord lagging. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.